Introducing the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Discover the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, packed with impressive features and sleek design. Dual displays, a 6.90-inch primary display and a 3.60-inch secondary display. 144 Hz refresh rate. Enjoy smooth scrolling and seamless gaming. Powerful cameras. Capture stunning photos with a 12 megapixels dual rear camera and a 32 megapixels front camera. Experience fast performance and ample storage space. Android 13. Enjoy the latest Android features and updates. Wireless charging. Conveniently charge your phone without the hassle of cables. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Get yours today.